Hello everyone, Sam is here from ForexMagicWeb.com, making a small video about this EUR-AUD pair and its movement and this setup here. So let's get started. This setup, this chart I made on the 6th April, right? It is butterfly in the making. It's not finished yet, but it's in the making. And it has its own calculation and all of that. And this is one of my diagrams which I made like 10 years ago. Now this is how butterfly pattern works, right? And what happened here? Okay, now, so this is how it works, right? And it's X, A, B, C, and D. So C point is the one very important. So my way of trading is that I start trading from point C, and then once it get there, if I like, I will take the downside as well, and if not, it's not, right. But this is very lucrative when going up or trading from point C. So as you can see that this one of my trade here, right? And it was taken from the 7-minute chart. Once you have a 40-minute chart, we jump on the 7-minute chart, we find the entry, we make the entry there, right? So this is shown here. So it is starting from this, and the idea was to go into this area, either this 56.41, 54 area, or 56.82 to finish up this pattern, right? So what happened to this chart on Friday when we closed yesterday? Today's Saturday morning. So yesterday we end up closing the market here, right? So it went all the way up. It was just a little shy of 56 because this area is like 56.41, not 41, 56.54 is the one. This white line is 56.41. So, it exactly hit that's 56.54, which is a monthly low. And from there, start reversing. And it was Friday, so I didn't bother. I don't want to trade on Friday. One trade is enough, right? But what happened is that when I made the the last video, right, on this EUR-AUD, on I think it's on the 7th, and we were here. This is the chart. Right? I showed in that my target was 55.92, and it was hit, and I closed my second trade. So from going from here to here, the first trade you saw, and then there was another trade. But in fact, let me show you both from the 7-minute chart entry and the 30. So going from here to here, I had two trades, and I said it's going to drop here, give me another entry later on 20-minute chart, and I will take that to the final area of our point D. So these are the two trades which I took when we were bouncing from point C. So this is first from 7-minute chart, 65 pip here, and I closed here. Why? Because I wanted to have, let's see, another entry that it will drop and then give me a 20-minute setup, which it did. See this 20-minute setup now? So the 7-minute entry was from here, right? This is how it looks on a 20. It's not an entry here, but on the 7 it is. So this is the idea. To get in an early move, we use the 7-minute chart, and then after that it retraced for 20-minute setup. Almost all the whole thing was retraced. Right? So it's like you making double the pip amount of pip, right? From here to here you already made, and then from starting from here again, right? So I got in here again from the 20-minute setup and took it all the way to 55.92. Right? The one I showed you that was the target. And then again, it was far from yellow line. So I said, okay, I'm going to close it for 110 pip here and then wait for another drop and then another trade. That's what I said that I'm going to take it, and I will show you in my next video. So here I am. This is what happened when this went to 55.92 and it's supposed to drop and then go up, right? And then this is what happened. 55.92, and it bubbled here, and it came down 50% of this fib, the Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I made this chart and I sent out to my subscriber as well. I posted on the Telegram as well. Then get ready. and wave 5 is about to come. And this one from here to here, here's my entry. It went up, came down. Here's the entry here. Buy entry goes all the way there, and it is for 75 pips. So this is it. And now here I close the trade, and I posted. I made a last video, and I posted. I showed him in my Telegram saying that I said when it was here, I said I'm going to close my trade for 75 pip because the London session is about to open. It's right on the corner, and you don't want to have an open trade at the time of a new session opening because a lot can go wrong, right? So I closed the trade for 75 pip, and as I said that I'm gonna take another trade, and I'm gonna show it to you. Here it is. This was the third trade, and I'm showing you here that this is what it is. So this is how you plan the trade and trade your plan. This is only one pattern, 140-minute chart, giving me like 175. First two trades, that was 175, and then this one 75. So altogether 150%, 250 pip trade from just one pair in a week. Okay. And I had 13 trades altogether. This is 3 trades and 250 pip. So this is how it is. If you learn all of that, this is what you can do. You can also do it, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. That's what it is. And again, right now, pound pairs are dropping badly, right? So I had a lot of pound pair, pound trades as well. But I think that the pound probably going to stop. 65, 68 is the one that I'm looking at for a bounce. And if it going to bounce from there, then all pound pairs will turn and then go up next week. Okay. It's all about if then. If 65, 68 holds and we go above, then that's the case. If not, then we will see them. Then all pound pair will continue to drop. Okay. So that's how it is. But that would be very interesting next week. So let's see. This is dropping already, right? It came already, almost here already. But the weekly chart is showing me that it may go up a lot. So it may drop a little bit and then go up again. So let's see what happens. Again, will depend on the news and depend on if then, which area we are going to break and what is happening. All right. So I will keep you posted on that. And yeah, so just wanted to show you that this is, as I said, that I'm going to take another trade long in EUR-AUD, and I'm going to show it to you. This is what it is. I took this one, and then here are the traders, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.